Hey guys, it's time for a new video, a blind box opening with me, Hatsunami Mizuno, and I'm your host, Hatsunami Mizuno. Today we're going to be opening up a few blind boxes I got at Walgreens the other day. I know, this isn't a video where I open boxes from Amazon, but hey, it's 3 a.m. So yeah, this is a first up. We have a Birds of Prey box from the movie Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of Harley Quinn. I really want from this box the one where Harley Quinn is in her little frilly jacket and her roller skates, or the hyena. The hyena would be really cool. I really love how on this box they put the lips like Harley Quinn has. It's a really nice touch. So let's see what we have. I open the package and let's see. We have Black Mask. I really didn't like the way they portrayed him in the movie. He was like a bumbling idiot, and that's not the way he is in the comics. He's much scarier in the comics than he was in the movie. So we got Black Mask instead of the ones I'd like, the hyena or a Harley Quinn figure. I really probably would have settled for any Harley Quinn figure. So next up, we have like 4 of these Frozen Mashems from Frozen 2. And you can get like Sven or Kristoff or Anna or Elsa, and there's also a mystery one. So let's see if we get the mystery one. I really hope we get the mystery one. I hope it's the water knock. The water knock would be really cool. That was my favorite part of Frozen 2. I mean, a horse made out of water. Oh, it looks like we got Anna. Anna, yay. I loved her outfit in the movie. Much better than the first movie. Her first outfit in Frozen 1 was kind of silly. Kind of homely, really. Frozen 2 gave her a much better outfit. Here we go, unwrapping the second sphere. What do you think this one will be? Let's see. Oh, it's Sven. We got Sven and Anna now. Can you see how squishy they are? Any kid would love to play with these. Although, I'm a kid at heart, so I like playing with these too. Now we're on to the third sphere. And what do you think we got this time? Any guesses? It looks like we got Olaf. We got Olaf. Woohoo! I love Olaf. He really makes the movie come alive, don't you think? Olaf is such a goof. But who doesn't like a good goof? I keep dropping these figures. I really need to get a bigger table, you know? Here's on to the last Mashems box. I really hope we get the water knock, or at least whatever the mystery figure is. Let's see. Hope it's something good. Here we go. See how it says Mashems on the top? That's a really nice touch. Here we go. Oh, it looks like we got Elsa. Yeah, we got Elsa in her new outfit. All these toys are squishy and mashable, and they're kind of tacky too. They're really cool. And you can collect them. There's all different kinds. There's ones from Frozen, there's ones from SpongeBob, and there's like a couple different ones. I've seen them for the Lion King even. You should check them out. I've seen them at Hot Topic and other places. So when I saw them at Walgreens, I just had to pick them up. Aren't they just the cutest? I love them. They're just so adorable. I really love the Sven one. I thought it was a cute character design. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I have. So much fun making these videos for you. I enjoy every minute of it. Please make sure, if you have enjoyed this video or any of my other videos, to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you real soon. This is Hatsunami Mizuno, signing off.